What's up, nail friends? Today I've got some awesome stuff from Egoista. This is metallic gel polish. So I have 9 colors here. One of them is a silver that goes on first, and then these are kind of like syrup gels and they go on top. So these are pretty cool and I'm really excited to give them a try. To start, we have metallic number 9. This is the base for all the other ones. So this one's a silver and it goes on, and then you put the kind of syrupy metallic colors on top. So we're just gonna give this a try, and we're gonna start with number 1 and see how these all look. So let's swatch these. Oh, and you can use this metallic silver one just on its own, and it's really pretty because I've already swatched a bunch of swatch sticks because I'm gonna show you guys these matte and shiny. So I've already got the silver swatched so that I can show you guys both colors, matte and shiny. So I'm just gonna show you guys. If you can see here, it's super, super silver. It's metallic like the type of chromes you'd wipe on top of a tacky layer, but oh god, this is so cool. I wonder if they have it in gold. I should look on the website. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so let's get swatching. So it's really, really sheer and thin, so you just apply 2 super thin coats. That way your nail isn't thick when you finish off with a coat of the syrup kind of gels and then a top coat. So they're super, super thin layers. So that's 1 coat. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add the second coat just so it's nice and full coverage. As you can see, this is super thin. It almost self-levels. You don't get any streaks or anything. Just nice, even coverage. And then I'm gonna give that a full cure and then we'll get started. I'm really excited. So remember that this can be just on its own, on your client. So what do you guys think? Do you think it's as chrome as a chrome will look? I will top coat this in a second and show you guys how shiny this looks on its own. Okay, so that's how it looks fully cured, and I'm just going to apply the rubber top coat just to show you guys how this looks shiny on its own, because you can use this on your clients on its own. So I'm really excited for this silver. Okay, and there it is on its own. Super, super pretty. This would look really nice as a full set. I wonder what this would look like if you actually rubbed chrome on top of it. Would it be like crazy, crazy chrome? Would it be like super, super chrome? I'll have to test that out sometime. Okay, so now that you saw how the silver looks, I've got a ton of already polished silver sticks here. And I'm just going to I'm gonna start with metallic number 1 and go along to number 8, and I'm going to do these in matte and shiny on top of the silver here. So let's take a look. Okay, so this one is like a red kind of. I remember you don't have to do these on top of the silver. You can do this on top of chrome or on top of whatever you want. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do the steps that it says to do. Okay. Okay, so this is more like an orange. Cool! Yeah, that's really cool. Okay, so how that looks before top coat. So that's metallic number 1, that's the orange one. So I'm just going to apply 1 stick with the matte top coat and 1 with the rubber top coat. Okay, so here's how they both look, matte versus shiny. I really like the way it looks matte. You obviously need to be careful here not to wipe it off the tip, or make sure that you know, what's it called? Cap the edge there, so that it doesn't give you an accidental silver edge. But you guys know, swatching is a little bit harder than when you do it on an actual client, so just keep that in mind. Okay, up next we have metallic number 2. Okay, so again, I'm just gonna continue to show you guys what these look like, matte versus shiny. So I'm just gonna do 1 and then do the other off camera kind of thing, and then I will show you guys what they look like. Wow, that's so pretty. I'm gonna try to cure these fast. It kind of seems like they spread away from the edge because it's thick and shiny on top of shiny, so I don't know if that's why, but make sure you're just curing them quickly and not like leaving it for a long time. Okay, so here's how number 2 looks, matte versus shiny. They just look so cool. I really like this idea. I think this is a great idea to have the kind of shiny silver and then have it covered with like syrup gels kind of. You know, it'd be cool if they did a holographic chromy kind of metallic color for underneath. I wonder what that would look like. So which one do you like better, the matte or the shiny? Up next is metallic number 3. Ooh, this is a little bit darker of a blue than the other one. I'll show you guys them in the jar. This is metallic number 2 and metallic number 3. So you can see it's like a darker kind of, this one looks, metallic number 2 looks more like teal, and metallic number 3 is like a rich royal blue. Okay, this is stunning. I love this one. Okay, I'm gonna give that a cure and then we'll check matte versus shiny. Okay, so here's how metallic number 3 looks. I freaking love this one. Oh God, it's so rich and beautiful and dark. I really, really like it in matte. Up next we have Egoista metallic number 4. This one is probably a nice purple color. Ooh, it's like a nice grape purple. Wow, these just keep getting better and better. That one is so luscious. I love it. Okay, and so here's how that looks matte versus shiny. That's metallic number 4. I really, really like this one. I don't know which one's my favorite yet. They just keep getting better, so I don't know. I'm really excited to see number 7 because it's green. But anyways, so this is what number 4 looks like, a nice royal purple. Up next is metallic number 5. This looks like it's a black one or dark brown. I don't know, kind of looks dark brown. Okay, let's give this a swatch. Okay, it's like a nice chocolate kind of brown color. Interesting. Okay, so here's how metallic number 5 looks. And I know it's brown, and I know you might be thinking, well, I don't really use brown in my nail studio. But I was thinking while these were curing what you could use these for, and they kind of look like an industrial, like rusty brown. You could use these in a steampunk set, you know? I think that'd be really cool. Okay, up next is metallic number 6. This looks like kind of a raspberry kind of red color, kind of raspberry. Wow, that one's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I really like this one. Okay, so that's how metallic number 6 looks. I just wanted to show you guys these are straight out from the lamp, and the matte top coat I'm using here, this one, comes out completely tack free and like a nice velvet finish. The rubber top coat I'm using, this one, the black one, has a tacky layer, so make sure you wipe it off. Okay, you guys, I'm really excited for metallic number 7 because I don't know, lately I've gotten this weird green obsession and I can't stop, won't stop. So this looks green and let's give it a look. Yes, super, super green. I'm so excited. I'm gonna have to put this on my own nails. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It's like an emerald green. It's everything I could have ever wanted in a syrup gel green metallic. Yes, this is so pretty. Okay, so here's how metallic number 7 looks. This one is hands down my favorite. I freaking love emerald green. This is so pretty. Okay, we have one more to share with you, and it's up next. Okay, the last one is metallic number 8. Ooh, it's just a nice syrupy red. So you guys, I've been using syrup gels in some of my tutorial videos and everyone keeps asking me where I get the red one, but I don't know where you can get it. But now I guess you can get this one and do the same effect I did in some of my other videos using these on top. So I did a like melted rose design in white and then I wiped some syrup gels on top. So if you guys are looking for reds or I guess any color here, you can do that and it will give the same effect. Okay, so this one's like a nice kind of orangey red. It's not the same as the orange one. I'll compare them after this is cured. Okay, so that's how metallic number 8 turned out. And I don't know, but it kind of looks darker after being put in the lamp. Do you guys think so? I'm gonna have to check in my footage and check back from when I swatched it to when I finished curing. But I don't know, it looks a little bit darker red now. Really, really cool. Okay, so here are all the colors lined out. Matte and shiny. So this is the orange and the blues and purple. We have some brown, some raspberry. My favorite, green and red. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments section. Obviously you guys know the green is my favorite, so we'll just skip that part. But if I had to choose a second favorite, I'd probably have to go with this purple. It's so bright and vibrant. That was number 4. So I really like this collection of metallic gel polishes. If you guys are into these, let me know in the comments section if you're planning to pick these up, because these are more versatile than just putting them on top of a silver top coat. You can do so much with kind of like glass, metallic, you know, these kind of glass syrup gels. So these are pretty cool. Let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. Check back for any videos of me using these, and don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your nails long and your glitter strong.